sing it. Hey mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey mom, we're gonna be alright.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I am doing a blue type of look. I don't know why, but we just are. So we're doing a blue look, and I saw a blue look like 2 weeks ago maybe on Instagram, and I was obsessed with it. And then I went scrolling through social media and I found more blue looks, and there's this one that I was obsessed with, and I'm super excited to do it because it's like really cute and everything. So I have a blue shirt on that barely looks blue, but it is. And I have my crazy hair and my skin is breaking out. I was gonna vlog my vacation, but each day we pretty much did the same thing, and I thought it was gonna be boring, so I didn't vlog it, and I think I would have felt uncomfortable vlogging in front of my family, so we just didn't vlog that. But do look forward to having a concert get ready with me or vlog or both coming in August. So that's plenty long enough for an intro. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started. Okay, so per usual, eyes are primed, and I'm gonna be using my BH Cosmetics palette. I'm just gonna go in with this light blue right here, and I'm just gonna work that into the crease as a transition shade. We're gonna try not to use way too many colors, but I'm not making any promises. Okay, so now that I look really crazy, we're gonna go in with these two deep blues right here and a more denser packed brush. And you're just gonna pick those two up and pack it on the outer corner and crease. Alright, now just go back in with your transition and kind of blend out the edges. So while on vacation, I definitely got a tan. I'm not nearly as tan as like my sister or something, but I'm tan. So I had to pick up a new foundation, and I mean, I don't really like wearing foundation, but I feel like with like a look like this, you kind of need it. So I'm hoping it looks good on. Just kind of like go in now with your dark blues and just a bunch of blending back and forth between the transition and the dark blues until you are happy with your blend. Okay, so now I'm going in with my NYX glitter glue and a blue glitter, and I'm just going to apply this to the lid. Alright, so for glitter I used the Glitter My World glitter in Moon River Blue, and it just looks like this, and I love it. And then for lashes, I used the Salon Perfect 615. They're a blogger's favorite, and I've had these for a really long time, but this is my first time using them, and I love them. I'm gonna have to buy more because they're super good, and I'm pretty sure they're like $3. So for primer, I'm using the Milani Prime Perfection. I only had a limited amount of products with me when I was at my mom's, as you guys would know, so I'm like trying to use other products that like I couldn't use. So we're just gonna like go through my collection kind of and just use some goodies, like oldies but goodies. So for one thing, I love the way this primer smells. It smells like a mint, and I love it. But I don't know. I've had an interesting couple of weeks. I was super duper happy at the beginning of summer, and then I had like pageant, so I was nervous, and then I won, so I was like happy. And then I made a bunch of like friends through like YouTube and everything, and I was like super happy about that. And then like one thing went really wrong for me in my life, and it like really has kind of affected me since. Like no one like passed away or anything, but like someone who was important to me did like leave my life. And like losing friends is super hard, but then like losing best friends is even harder. So it's just like, it was a great time. And like since I feel like my friends and I aren't as close as like I want us to be, so that's that. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Dewy and Smooth. I got this in 115. I thought I had it in 105, so I thought I got 2 shades up. Yeah, it looks like I had it in 110, so I only got an A shade up. So hopefully this matches me. This looks like way too much foundation. I don't know. I think this is gonna be too light. I think I'm gonna need to use a lot of bronzer. I'm gonna have to pick up an even darker foundation because none of mine are dark enough for me. And like I said, I just bought this one. Oh my god, yeah, that's definitely not dark enough. We're gonna have to improvise. I'm just gonna use my beauty sponge or my Real Technique sponge to blend this in, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going to use my NYX HD concealer. I have not used this in a hot minute. This is a new one, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be kind of light for me. Maybe not. I don't know. I guess we will find out. But I've not used this in a while. And this is a brand new bottle of it I've had for a while. So we're just gonna put it to good use. I just got foundation in my hair though. What's new? Foundation in my hair. I feel like I was saying something, or I wanted to say something, and now I'm not 100% sure what that was. So I don't know. Hopefully I can remember, because that'll annoy me if I can't. So for powder, I'm just going to use what I always use, which is my Rimmel Stay Matte and my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder, just because those are like the only ones I have. And then I'll be back after I'm done with my brows and baking. Alrighty, so now that I look like a pale ghost, we're going to use the Hoola bronzer in the Hoola bronzer. I haven't used this in a while, so we're hopefully gonna look decent. Ooh, I really like that color. I mean, I'm obviously gonna have to blend it out, but I like it. It's nice. I like going back through like my collection and using stuff I haven't used in a while, just because like it gives me a feel for products that really are good. I just like don't use as often as some other ones. So I don't know. I like going back through my collection, especially because like I have a pretty big collection, so like I don't get much use out of everything. So going through and like finding things that I used to love is really fun. Okay, so for blush, I'm going in with Honey Bunny by Ulta Beauty. This is one of my classic favorites. I love this blush. It's just gorgeous. So we're just gonna apply that to the cheeks. Once again, I was gonna say something and now I can't remember. And I'm pretty sure it was like something kind of important. But of course, I can't remember. lash line. I'm gonna go in with like this blue right here, just because I don't want it to be way too dark of a lower lash line. So, okay, lower lash line is done. So for highlight, I'm using both my Champagne Pop and my Milani in Afterglow. I'm using part of the Milani one because the Champagne Pop is a little too dark for me, like always, no matter how tan I am, and it's quite frustrating because it's a gorgeous highlighter, and I watch so many people who like are obsessed with it, but I just like can't use it by itself. I'm just too pale for that. So we're just gonna mix them both and get a really pretty champagne-y gold summery beautiful concoction. Like, oof, that's really pretty. And then I'm just gonna go in with probably just the Milani one on my inner corners. Alright, so for lips, I'm using my Tiramisu lip liner, my Naked Liquid Lipstick, and my Bare Minerals Groovy Lip Gloss, just for a super nude lip, because this is dramatic and you can't go out with a full shebang. You gotta save the shit part. I'm gonna need to sharpen this pencil because it's getting nubby. Is that a word, nubby? Well, I just made it a word. Alright, loves, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoy. I am obsessed. I love it. I don't know, I just think it's super cute and super pretty. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you like this look down below. I can definitely do more looks that are like this. Like, the eyes look dramatic, but it's a super simple tactic and look. I'm sorry. So if you want me to do this with like pinks or purples or greens or something, let me know. I will totally do that. That's a good idea. Your girl excited. If you guys want me to turn this into like a series, let me know. My friend Monica did a series for Pride Month, and I might not 100% copy because it's not Pride Month anymore, but like do what she did, how she did like every color of the rainbow. So like if there's a suggested color that you guys want to see, put it down below and I will do it. Just let me know. So I love you all so much. Thank you so much for 425 subscribers. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, babies.
Say